I just can't step out without filling my eyebrows, and for that I use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. So what I love about this product is its packaging. It has a very travel friendly packaging. It has a button to open. It has a cute little mirror here, and it has two different products. One is the wax and one is the powder. My favorite part is this cute little brush. One is the spoolie and other is the angular brush. So with the wax you shape your eyebrows and then fill in the gaps with the powder with the same angular brush, and then just style your brows with this little spoolie. So it stays for 12 hours. Once you're done with your eyebrows in the morning and then you're sorted for the whole day, you don't need to fill it again and again. It's available on Limeroad, so you must check it out.